In today's video, I'll show you how to use search in Asana. As your projects grow, finding one specific task or file can feel like hunting for a needle in a haystack. Asana's search bar solves that, letting you jump to anything in seconds. Let's jump in. Right at the top center of the screen, you'll see the search bar. It's available from every page in Asana, no matter where you are. I'll click on it now. The moment I click, a panel drops down, and before I've even typed anything, Asana shows me my recent items and some handy saved searches, like tasks I've created or recently completed work. Sometimes what you need is right there in one click. But let's do a real search. I'll type in a keyword to find what I'm looking for. As I type, watch how results appear instantly, live, with every keystroke. Asana searches across everything at once, your tasks, projects, and even people, and neatly groups the matches so you can spot the right one fast. See those filter buttons along the top? Tasks, projects, people, portfolios. If you're getting too many results, just click one to narrow your search to only that type of thing. And for the power users, there's an advanced search. That lets you build really specific queries, like show me every incomplete task assigned to me, due this week, in a certain project. You can even save those searches to reuse them again and again. So to recap, click the search bar at the top. Start typing to see instant results. Use the filters to narrow things down. Or open advanced search for the really precise stuff. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.